So this is where we've decided would be the best place for the pizza oven. It's just outside the back door. We've got a number of places we can put it as a mobile setup, but I don't fancy dragging it in and out of sheds and stuff like that. And we've got our wood store there, and put the pizza oven there right by the kitchen. I think it'd be pretty ideal. So it's not going to be any special base. This area doesn't get much sun, as you can see. We've got our sage tree there, and over there is where the rhubarb grows. So I'm just going to find a couple of slabs in the garden and just lay a simple, sturdy base for it here. So this is where we've got to so far. Got a nice even-ish base here. So I'll be building up with some hardcore and a couple of slabs to get it level with this wall. It's just rough, it's just to hold the pizza oven. Obviously, got a beer on the go, that's the Hefeweizen. Here is all the stone dust I'm going to be using. Your level. Yeah, you should put weed suppressant membrane in place, but it's up in the garage, which is about half a K from my house, and it's not an essential journey, and to be honest, I can't be arsed. Not for 2 slabs. Just realised I have the perfect tool for this. 20 kilo kettlebell. So this is what we've ultimately ended up with. It's not a bad looking hard standing for the pizza oven. Relatively level. And across both as well. So yeah, pretty happy with that. So let's get the pizza oven onto it. So considering we had 2 different size slabs in terms of width and depth, I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. Got viewing access to the thermometer and plenty of access to the hopper. If I was to put gas on it, I'd probably just leave the gas bottle maybe up here on the wall or there on the grass where the rugby ball is. But overall, I'm really chuffed with where this is positioned. I might bring it forward a little bit, but I'd like somewhere here just to kind of rest the peel on and stuff like that, and I can leave the turning peel on here. Yeah, pretty chuffed. So first impressions of this is really good build quality. We paid extra for the turning peel, which I don't know, it's a lot of money for this sort of piece of kit, but we'll see how we get on with it. Needs a good wipe down before we fire it up for the first time. What do you think of it, Elle?
Good.
There we are. So yeah, first impressions, really good quality, really heavy, really sturdy. It's absolute solid piece of machine. Yeah, that's the thermometer, babes, on the side there, look. So we don't have any gas at the moment, so we've got this set up for wood for the first go. Just chop some wood. We've got plenty of seasoned wood here. It's not kiln dried, but it's very dry. So yeah, let's give it a quick clean and fire her up. So what we've got is just your normal fire lighters. We don't have any of the wood ones. I put the fire lighter in first, and then some of this kindling. Seconds, and there's already some flames. Wow, this thing's going to heat up in no time. And it wouldn't be one of my videos without a homebrew. Pizza and beer, perfect combination. Currently just approaching 100 degrees. First beer we're going to try on this is a Neapolitan style pizza. Just simple. We've made our own dough. We've got the tomatoes, just tinned tomatoes with a bit of salt in there. Just literally trying it out for the first time, so taking you along for the ride. So just approaching 250 degrees C. One thing I have found, which I've seen a lot of people make observations about, is the amount of soot, and I'm not getting much of that. I don't know if it's because of the type of wood I'm using, but I think it may be because the updraft system behind there is really sheltered around the back here. Obviously you've got the rest of the wall this side and the bank going up that way, so I think it's a pretty good spot for it. So we're very nearly at temps, all with seasoned hardwood, touching on 400 there. Probably about 40 minutes, maybe 35 minutes. 2 beers anyway. 2 beers worth of time. Right. Okay. So second pizza, just at 350 degrees now. Oh, look at that, like a pro.
The second pizza is in the pizza oven. Look, right there.
Oh yes. On, right. Done. Margarita with parmesan. Okay.
Hi guys.
Yeah, done.
It is.
Oh yes. How thin that is. So it's about an hour after we finished using the Roccbox now, and we're still nearly at 200 degrees Celsius, which is kind of the top end of most conventional ovens, I would have thought. What a beast. So I'm sure you would agree that from that footage, kids were very happy, wife was very happy, And I was very happy. So I've just got to get used to perfecting the dough recipe. We only done 3 pies. Oh, getting the lingo already. We only done 3 pizzas tonight just to kind of get the grips of it. Definitely a success. Very easy to get to grips with this Gozney Roccbox. So I hope you found that interesting. Obviously pizza and beer, they go very, very well together. Feel free to join me on my pizza journey as well as my beer journey. I can see me getting hooked to pizza as much as I do to beer, to be honest with you. Another calorific hobby. What a surprise. So yeah, hope you found that video of some use. And yeah, stick around if you want to see more. Iechyd.